Grazie.
getting them for you.
You want to stand up for that? No trailer view.
Look at how crazy it is. Holy God, you think.
You see now we are, that's the Grand Canal, the main channel of the city.
Right.
Okay, the water bus is the public service. It moves along only the Grand Canal around the city as circular lines and to the other islands.
Right.
If you buy the ticket like the pass, you can use the whole system all the way through. The water taxi like this, you see like among little islands,
I see.
10 channels, but just builders like this. Okay, the most Venice is walking. 90%, 99% is no other chance, no other alibi.
Yeah, but it's quieter then. No cars, no motorbikes.
Human being traffic jam, we say. Not pollution with cars, but human being traffic jam.
Which we can run over just like that.
Anywhere you want, absolutely. You will see the average dimension, as you say, of the streets are really, really, really tiny.
Yeah.
So like small, like huge labyrinths. It's the amazing parts of the city.
Tim, all the same. They must. Oh, there's all their private water taxis.
Yes, we do have any kind of different boats. Also.
Look at this big one.
This is a water bus.
One day, yeah. Start eating.
It's not enough alive to see the whole things here.
Pardon?
It's not enough alive to see the whole things here in Venice. But
We're gonna go to the 3 islands: Murano, and the number 10. Pocello, right?
I've been yesterday.
Oh.
I'm a tour guide for the tours.
Oh, okay. Yes, because tomorrow we're going on a tour. Tomorrow?
You have there are 2 in the day, 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon.
Yeah.
1 at 9 and 1 at 2 p.m.
Gondola.
Right.
Oh, gondola.
Yes, but the island tours, the open island tours, they come done by our travel agent, made by Unique Big Travel Agent, and they do twice a day. It's 1 9 and 1 2 p.m. 9 morning, and last about like more than 3.5 hours. Guy the northern, like you will see the lagoon is huge, it's like 550 kilometers square, it's big, and many different islands, worthy to absolutely to be seen.
Wow.
So you see along the Grand Canal we have the water bus stop there,
Yeah.
floating for 2 there, left, right, left, like this gray and yellow. And they do the Grand Canal is down as like the Mediterranean, 4 kilometers cutting through the city to main part. So if you want to move from one side to the other side, or you walk through only 4 bridges crossing the Grand Canal, or use the water bus just to make one stop.
Oh, okay.
With the daily pass, you can get on, get off anytime you want, anywhere.
Yeah.
24 hours a day.
24 hours. No.
Yeah,
right.
swimming for the population is not romantic. It's not a good deal.
And then, so the places, restaurants must stay open a lot.
Yes. Around your hotel, you go to amazing.
Oh, yeah?
Super not formal, not challenging. Super good.
Wait, you'll have to give us the names. Ready?
Mascarone.
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 Mascarone is the big one.
Right, okay.
This is one. It's just, I'll show you now. This is absolutely gorgeous. And another one is on the other side of the bridge. I will indicate you like physically. That's the casino, Venice.
My
First casino in the world.
casino.
The very first casino in the world. Still working.
I think I might have read about it already and said, oh, no.
It's a huge concentration of things here, really.
Another church. That one's probably the oldest church in the world. No.
No, absolutely not. This is Baroque.
Oh, okay.
16th century, absolutely not. Venice is quite
Newer than Rome and Milan.
maybe
and
the
all those.
Bambina. If you go in Sicily, you can touch 4,000 years history. Here it's only 1,600. Then the style, the architecture is huge things, not like Baroque. This is super Baroque. Från architect. So Byzantine, a little bit Turkish, so little things reminding. You know, Venice, we've been the north, the east for 1,000 years, Marscapone and business merchants. So a lot of things catching from both Rome and the west, east Roman custom, the Byzantine stuff.
Right. Yeah.
It's called golfing, golden mix and Byzantine mix of the two. And along the Great Canal, the richest family of the merchant built their homes for 1,000 years. You know, a merchant showing off.
Yeah.
And like when we say like kind of Turkish Arabic stylist, that's kind of reminding Arabic style of architectures, lace working kind of light and elastic. You see the water bus? And just knowing that any water bus along the Grand Canal and anywhere, they are clockwise and anti-clockwise, so from the same stop you have like number 1 going that direction to Rialto Accademia San Marco, the same number 1 going that direction to the Ferrovia, to the train station. Another place now I will indicate you, this is the market, it's daily, like fish, vegetables, meat market.
Okay, what time is it all?
6 in the morning up to 2 p.m. the market. So then after the market, a lot of little places in Baghdad, you know, like tapas, you can have your to stop to stay, and I will show you now one that I like.
Yeah.
You see that boat? This is the ambulance boat.
Yes.
Oh. You are not far away, so that I can hold that. Not far away from the San Giovanni Paolo Hospital. And it's one of the most amazing safe. The one I like most is Banco Giro. Okay. Open like 7 p.m. and make like both lunch and dinner super good. Not challenging, not so expensive and good. 90% is fish courses, man. We do have mostly everything, but historically food here.
Yeah.
Northern Adriatic. So crab, lobster, and soft-shell crabs, this kind of thing.
Okay.
Now Rialto Bridge, the most important bridge ever. And we cut through little channels like
Rialto.
now, just with a little boat like that, or gondolas, we can move inside the little channels. And the view, the things you can see now, and walking is a totally different city. Only with a boat you can see something.
Yeah.
Only walking, you have a totally different. See the amount of the human being traffic jam I'm talking about. We don't have normal cars traffic jam, but human being.
Okay, we have to do a selfie on the car.
Is it quite a good shock?
Pardon?
Is it quite a good shock? Yes.
Yeah.
Good impact.
I didn't I didn't like you have to be here to
believe it.
know it. Like I knew it was on
So
really
you,
good.
and not only one day.
No.
You should come back.
We're here between that.
Yeah. We've got a good excuse to come back.
Because we were just in and out
That's
of
right.
Milan.
Milan and
I know,
Torino,
it's
one.
huge
Yeah.
amount of things.
Yeah. And I, you know.
This is like a taste.
Yeah.
So then we go, okay, so we like this one and this one, more time here.
Yeah, and I already know.
And this time of the year is quite perfect.
Quiet.
Yeah.
We're gonna.
Summertime is shocking
I know, that's
hot.
why we didn't want
It's
to
too
come.
humid, it's too hot, shocking.
Yeah.
Winter time could be used because it's snowing and bad.
Like they say to go to Milan in April
For
because
design week.
design week. So it's like,
Yeah.
oh, okay.
Yeah, Milan, April is impossible to reserve.
Oh, okay.
No, because you know it's that. With
Yeah.
Paris, it's the world capital of mode.
Yeah.
There's a new season, so you know why
Yeah.
to get there.
Yeah.
Oh, so
First, like Mr. Everyone, from Miss Prada, Mucha, to anyone you can imagine there.
better reserve now.
We almost arrived. We will get off really soon and we'll walk in a. It's a safe place. I'm telling you before, like you see like dark, labyrinthic, small, dark streets. Seem a perfect way for an ambush.
I know.
Venice is super unseemly, safe. Totally different from any ideas.
Yeah.
So just feel free to get lost, move around. It's a movie.
We get lost a
Even
lot.
in the nighttime, it's a movie.
Yeah.
Like.
Man, you should see how many times we get lost. Holy cow.
Well, this will be a fun getting lost.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
will.
Yeah.
Even with Google Maps, believe me.
Yeah.
And even you can discover some of the best things ever. It's not just so much square and Venice.
Yeah.
But 110 churches, 200 palaces, and a lot of museums, and even just moving around, walking around you is wow. You see, like now there is no walkway inside here, so these places, these homes can be seen just by the water, and it's a different view, water and walking passage. Just this next bridge is okay. The next one, second one, to turn. So watch your head.
Oh,
You said the next bridge, watch your head.
it's a short one.
This
eh?
square is that you will see we will cross now. Is the closest to your hotel. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
It is called Santa Maria Formosa.
Formosa.
Formosa means chubby,
Oh,
fatty. You know, Formosa.
Formosa.
We finished the saints. We have no more saints to call any more street and churches in Venice. So the statue in the church is a little bit chubby.